Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Android emulator on laptop. To start, go to the link that we leave you in the description of the video. There, click on See All Versions. After this, click on Download BlueStacks 5. Wait for it to be downloaded. Click on the downloaded file and in the pop-up window, click Yes to authorize. Now click on Install Now and then you must accept the license of use by clicking on I agree. Now wait for the application to be downloaded from the main servers. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see this process in real time. After this, the verification of the requirements of your equipment will be carried out and the installation files will be extracted. When this process is finished, the application will open. There, click on System Apps and then click on the Play Store. There, it will be possible to download Android apps on your laptop after logging in. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.